Like about what's that thing we saw on the roundabout?
Oh, a tank.
Yeah, and what did you say about the tank?
It's an ancient Roman tank.
Ancient Roman tank. And then what was your opinion, Edwin?
Oh, I mean, these rails right here?
Yes.
Take a photo? A picture?
Oh,
These are Roman right here.
No way.
Yeah.
The key to being a good historian is always making assumptions with no facts to back it up.
And then just saying it like you know it, right? And like, there's no doubt in your mind.
And always cite one in like obscure book that probably wasn't written by historians.
And then make sure no one ever like checks your work.
Okay, so throw out some names that sound credible.
Have you ever heard of Chariot of the Gods?
I always say. Sure.
It is how everything was built by ancient aliens. Definitive.
Whenever I publish something, I just say, Carl, they can help me with this. Or I mean, Noam Chomsky. Yep. And then no one questions it. They're like, oh, Noam? Okay.
That's totally credible.
Wait, did you say Assassin's Creed? Yes. This is the city.
Yes.
Most of these walls were like built during the Crusades.
Just like the aqueduct?
Well, like the walls
Just
themselves.
kidding. Charlie, what?
Here, this is a station for the camera.
Yeah, no, I think it is. I think pretty sure. You get the Snapchat?
Oh, sorry. Oh, there you are. Anything else interesting about this place?
Like,
Of
do you want real
historical
facts?
significance? Anything you want to swear out is fine.
Sure. About 8,000 years ago, this was the last stronghold of the Atlanteans when they were coming down through here. They were fighting the Babylonians and the Confederates.
See,
Are the Atlanteans related to Wonder Woman?
No.
Okay,
not at all.
totally.
I'm surprised the Civil War started over that lighthouse.
I know. It's an interesting. It's the shots of Fort.
Like we're at Fort Sumter right
The rocks
Yeah.
are pretty.
For real facts,
It was just
I
like,
don't know.
oh my
This was like the last, like kingdom. Like this is the last city the kingdom had. This was the last stronghold of the French before the fucking infidels came.
Oh no.
Oh, actually, okay, this wall right here.
This
is where Hannibal brought the elephants over.
I see. And they drowned in the ocean instead of got frozen.
Whoa. Yes.
I see.
So if you look close, you can see Hannibal down there still.
Oh my, the skeleton?
No, he's preserved.
Oh well. Oh,
Yeah.
like in the Dead Sea, sort of preserved like that. Okay.
Last Habsburg Empire chariot.
Okay.
Like actually.
And we're allowed to touch it?
Yeah. No, you can't touch
At your
it.
own risk? Of course you can't touch it.
ايه فاهم شو الغسيل
بما كانوا يعملون
member that came to help them from the outside blown up the 2 windows. Windows that the Etzel member blown up. The prisoners jumped first to the Turkish bath that you can see from the window, and then they jumped 4 meters to the street. In the street, 3 trucks wait for them. All 41 prisoners managed to get to the truck, but the British captured 1 truck, and we'll see what happened.
I feel like we really have to take care of like where we put our feet here. This is so easy to fall.
A great leader came here, you know his name, but he was very short.
Napoleon.
Napoleon. Okay. So Napoleon set the siege.
Over Akko. Actually, there is a hill in that direction, which is now they call Napoleon Hill, because this is where Napoleon sat, and also set a place for his artillery pieces to bombard Akko. So they didn't manage to pass through the walls. They passed only the outer part of the walls, the first wall, got to the second wall, and then the French were stopped. And since then they had to retreat from Israel, from this land.
Taking care of that fanny pack. Yeah, smart.
Okay, so the year is 5000 AD.
Oh, okay, no, we're right then, yeah.
Like you said, BC.
I mean, it's practically BC.
It's AD, or Common Era, as we like to call it.
Oh, thank you, yes, the Prehistoric Age.
Now, the Mongols were attacking the Mayans, but the thing was, NASA had to defend their turf.
Oh, of course.
So they brought these cannons up here.
And then the Germans came.
And then the Trump said, build a wall, so there's the wall.
Oh, this is a great wall. Who paid for it?
And then the Russians paid for it, and so they called it the Berlin Wall.
Yeah, and then Trotsky got killed by an ice pick in Mexico, and that's
pretty much it. And that's history.
Yeah. That'll be $500.
Whose commentary do you think is more true, Edwin's or Hunter's? Edwin's. Edwin's?
No, it's
because he comes off as such a know-it-all.
Sarah, you need both commentaries to get the whole picture.
Oh, okay. When you hear all sides, right?
Yes.
You know that dude on PBS that makes movies?
They're all wrong. No, I don't.
Ken Burns?
Oh, yeah.
I'm Ken Burns.
Okay.
So this is a line to see what?
Okay, so see that cage out there?
The ocean, if you've
This
never
is
seen it.
hole number 5 of this disc golf course.
Okay, that's not like a floating prison over there. What's left of it?
No.
No?
It's just
No, that's the
Animal
Nile.
Farm
We're in
or something?
Mississippi.
I don't know.
Oh, no,
So-
it's probably a rice field. No, that's why they have all the water there.
So Khufu built his first pyramid. Right over there.
Who? Kung Fu Panda?
Like Khufu. Like the great pharaoh. Khufu.
And his son, Aten.
Aten. They built.
Poor
They were
Well,
recently.
Ra, the sun god.
You shut your mouth, you infidel. There's only one god, his name's Aten.
Ra.
It's Aten the sun.
That temple was built to Ra by the Navajo tribe.
Consecrated to it?
Oh,
Oh, look, a speedboat.
They came here at about, it was 1099 when the Crusaders came to Israel. And they set their capital here when they couldn't conquer Jerusalem. So it was the main gate to this land by the Crusaders.
Do you approve of that message?
Huh?
Do you approve of that message?
Sure.
Climbing a wall's better than
Fall down from my end. I don't care if you fall down, but you don't want to take the responsibility. We can have time for just one more.
This is where the Opium War started.
I'm just getting all this really good background noise here. The opium wars. Yes.